You want to see the world's worst YouTube ad? Like the worst ad I've ever seen. It just keeps showing to me constantly over and over again. They're just dumping money into this absolute steaming pile of garbage. So if you run ads and you've not had success, then this will probably make you feel a little bit better about yourself. So this is for Pacific Gas and Electric Company, which, here's the ad. They spent $250,000 on this absolute garbage dumpster fire of an ad.
Hey everyone.
Look what they just did there. 4 seconds before they even started talking at all. You know you can skip the ad after 5 seconds, and they just wasted 4 seconds of it on stupid elevator music with like a static image that doesn't mean anything.
This is Tatiana Manning, host of Real Talk with PG&E.
Okay, now, hi everyone, this is Tatiana Manning, host of Real Talk with PG&E. What is, like, dude, is this Tony Robbins, Tatiana Manning? Has anybody ever heard of this lady? Like, maybe that would get people's attention if people have heard of her. My guess is absolutely not, because she hoaxed some freaking corporate thing with Pacific Gas and whatever electric company. So why should anybody care? Like, why is anybody ever going to care that this is this lady and that this is her Real Talk with PG&E? Like, I don't understand. Like, corporate marketers just can't get this through their heads for some reason. It's like, nobody cares about your message. If you want people to care, you talk about something that people care about. Like, can you save me money on my gas and electric? Then start with, hey, we can save you money on your gas and electric. Or, hey, want to save money on your gas and electric? Not freaking 4 seconds of elevator music and then, hey, this is this person I've never heard of, that you've never heard of, with like this show, Real Talk with PG&E. It's a freaking 31-second show. I don't know what kind of show is 31 seconds long, which that's another thing. It's like these corporate bands, they think that everything's a TV commercial. Like it has to be 15 seconds or 30 seconds or 60 seconds. This is a YouTube ad. It can be as long as you want it to be, and you're probably not going to get very much done in 31 seconds.
We know small businesses are dealing with rising costs and looking for ways to boost their bottom line.
Okay, so this might be the beginning of something. Like if they had started the ad with this, it might have been somewhat worthwhile. We know that small businesses are struggling with rising costs. It's like, okay, that's true, and you know that might get my attention. Obviously we're 12 seconds in, so I already skipped a long time ago. But if by any chance I was across the room and I was forced to listen to those 12 seconds, that might get my attention.
That's why we're doing this show, to help customers save with simple and easy to do steps by making sure they're on the most optimal rate for their business. So check.
Okay, so simple and easy steps, like making sure they're on the most optimal rate for their business. What does that even mean? Most optimal rate of what? Like their credit card interest rate, their freaking like loan interest rate, their conversion rate? Like most optimal rate, what rate?
Check us out on pg.com/real talk and all other streaming platforms.
So guess how many people will actually check them out on pg.com/real talk? Right, 0. Except like people like me, maybe, that are making YouTube ads, making videos, making fun of them. It's like they provided 0 value and like 0 desire. Now I have to find out how to get more optimal rate if I listen to this show, which is probably going to be as absolutely useless as this ad was. It's like, and then, yeah, just more elevator music. So, yeah, that is, like, in my opinion, the single worst YouTube ad I've ever seen, and they spent $250,000 on this. So, please, if you're watching this and you want to make an ad and like, if you're not familiar with how to make a YouTube ad specifically that actually works, talk to me. I'll put a link in the description. I could have easily saved them $250,000 and just wasted money, and they're probably going to continue it. This problem with some of these corporations is they just have this giant marketing budget, and they give it over to these people with college marketing degrees that just flush it down the toilet because they have no idea what the heck they're doing. So if you'd like to have YouTube ads that actually work, link in the description, talk to my team, and check out the rest of the channel, by the way. There's a lot of good stuff on how to run YouTube ads and how to run funnels that actually work. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.